This vegan Greek kale salad with crispy spicy chickpeas bowl recipe is such an easy, delicious bowl to put together. It is inspired by the many Greek salads I have eaten over the years. I hope you like it. I used some massaged kale as the base and I added some spicy chickpeas. Instructions: 1. Dressing: whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, red wine vinegar, oregano, salt and pepper, and a little tahini too. Toss the chickpeas in the spice mix, spray with a little olive oil, and air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until golden. Mix together all ingredients. Top with dressing. 4. Serve and enjoy. Ingredients: 1 box chickpeas drained, rinsed, and dried. 1 tablespoon oregano. 2 tablespoons sumac. 1 tablespoon garlic. 1 tablespoon ancho chili powder. 1 tablespoon red chili flakes. Oil. 3 cups kale massaged with lemon, oil, and salt. 1 cup grape tomatoes halved. Half English cucumber, chopped. Fresh parsley. Half cup pitted calamata olives. Half cup of crumbled vegan feta. Half cup slivered red onion. Need more help with the Mediterranean diet? Check out our proven 28-day Mediterranean diet meal plan. There have been over 1,000 people that have tested it out and loved it. So stop wasting your time and money on diet plans that don't work and check it out now. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video and want more amazing stuff on Mediterranean diet, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates.